we are continuing with the similarity of triangles. He's saying in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB is 16 centimeters, BC is 10 centimeters. Okay, this is 16 centimeters and this is 10 centimeters. And L is a point on AC such that CL is to LA is 2:3, right? If you produce BL meets AD produced at N, prove that triangle CLB is similar to triangle ALM. Okay. So we have to prove these two triangles similar. That means we have to look for two equal angles in these two triangles, right? One is so this. In triangle ALN, angle ALN is equal to angle BLC, right? Vertically opposite angles. And since DABC is a parallelogram, so we can say that this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles, right? So two angles we have found. So these two triangles are similar. So let's write in triangles CLB and ALN, angle ALN is equal to angle BLC. Reason? Vertically opposite angles. And angle ANL, which is this angle, is equal to angle LBC, which is this angle, LBC, alternate angles. Why? Because DA is parallel to BC, right? And BN is the transversal. So this angle will be equal to this angle, alternate angles. So you have proved in these two triangles, these angles are equal. So you can say, therefore, triangle CLB is similar to triangle ALN by AA axiom, right? Okay. Then you have to prove second part. This was your first part. Second part is prove that triangle CLM. Okay, that means this angle, this triangle is similar to triangle ALB. Okay. So again we have to look for two angles, equal angles. One is this vertically opposite angle and another can be this, can be equal to this, alternate angles, because DC is parallel to AB and AC is the transversal, right? So we have proved these two triangles similar. So let's write this. So we will take triangles in triangle CLM and ALB, angle CLM is equal to angle ALB. Reason? Vertically opposite angles, right? And angle LCM is equal to angle LAB. Reason? Alternate angles. Therefore, triangle CLM is similar to triangle ALB by AA axiom. Now you can see that he had given us various measurements here and the ratio of the sides also, but we have not used that. So sometimes just to confuse us, they give us these measurements, but you should always focus on what you have to prove.